Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 1 hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and as you can see, the DXY closed at 106.06. Friday DXY tried to recover. Okay, we saw some kind of effort from DXY to recover, but it failed again. So DXY is still not showing any signs of recovery, and it is still trying its best to survive above the crucial support of 105. So next week we will have to watch what DXY does, whether it is able to recover or it just surrenders and falls below 105 level. So as we have been discussing the importance of 105.30 to 105, this level will really play a very critical support for DXY in the coming days. But as of now, okay, there is no proper sign from DXY simply looks confused. Now let's jump to the chart of gold. This is a chart of gold, 1 hour chart of gold, and as you can see that I have marked the important levels. If you have watched my previous video, then you can see that more or less the important levels are still the same. They have not changed. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, you will find a Forex sentiment meter on my website. Okay, in the Forex sentiment meter, here is gold, and we can see that 59% retail traders have taken short position and 40% retail traders have taken long position. So overall, retail traders are also kind of confused about the next direction, next move of gold. And if we also look at the present trend of gold here, then we can see that the present trend of gold is not very convincing. It looks like a sideways market to us. So as a result, retail traders around the world are also not sure in which direction the gold will be moving in the coming days. This is a daily chart of gold in front of us. So my dear friends, previously you can see that the trend line was acting as a strong dynamic resistance for gold, and now gold crossed the resistance here. We have discussed all this previously, and right now gold is standing here. So according to the daily chart, we have got two possibilities. Okay, first of all, gold will be going up. Okay, gold will be going up and gold will face resistance somewhere around here, and it will just reverse, forming a double top kind of a pattern. By next week, okay, gold will be going up around 1785-86. Gold will face resistance again and it may reverse. Or if gold crosses 1785-86 also, then also the road is not clear, because we have a very strong resistance around 1800 level. 1800 is a very strong resistance in the coming days, because you can see that we have got the red line, the 200 moving average, and as we all know, 200 moving average is a very strong support and resistance, and 200 moving average is somewhere around 1800 level only. And for additional confirmation, if we draw the Fibonacci here, then we can see that Fibonacci is also standing around some 1790 1795 level. So yes, 1800 level, that particular zone, okay, will be acting as a very strong resistance for gold in the coming days if gold succeeds to go up as well. So for Monday, okay, for Monday, these are the levels that we should be focusing. First of all, gold closed at 1753 level. This was the last traded price of gold. So for coming week, the most important resistance will be 1785 to 86. But experts are of the opinion that 1775 also may act as an important resistance for gold. But according to the chart, 1775 will be somewhere between here. Before 1775, gold will have to cross 1763 to 1767 on Monday or Tuesday. Once gold crosses 1763 to 1767, then only gold will face 1775 that we have just saw on the article, this level here. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is simple. As you can see that the present market of gold is kind of sideways market usually signifies that the presence of buyers and sellers are almost equal. So as a result, if you see market, okay, if you see market going up from the current market price, from this level. If you see market going up, then observe the market around this level, because right now in this level there is no proper position. Just think logically. Just think logically. Right now market is standing here. Okay, market is standing here. Nobody in the world knows where the market will open. Okay, so if after the market opening, if market goes up from here, okay, do not take any buy or any sell in this level, because see, if you take a buy position here, there is no place to play, there is no proper place to put your stop loss. Even if you take a sell position, there is no proper place to put your stop loss. In simple words, your risk to reward ratio will not match. So around 1753 1754 level, okay, if you take a buy or sell position, that is high risk. Okay, but if you are looking for a proper trade, then your proper trade will be around 1763 67 level if market goes up. So let the market open. Nobody can predict the market, where the market will move. Let the market open. If market goes up, listen to me carefully, if market goes up after the market opening, observe the market around 1763 1767 area. If you see market facing selling pressure from above, if you see market forming shooting star kind of a pattern, bearish and gunfish pattern, then you will get the confirmation that yes, sellers are present around 1763 64 area, and you can definitely go for a sell position. But if you're planning to take a position somewhere around here, then I don't think so that this is an ideal position. Okay, if I have missed anything, write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. Okay, anyways, this is your first trading opportunity if market goes up. Okay, from where you can expect a reversal, and you can go for a sell position as well. And in case market breaks it, okay, in case market breaks also 1763 1767 level, do not place any buy position, because especially during the Monday we do not see much volatility, especially during the first half. Okay, so as a result, if market breaks also, try to avoid taking any buy position, especially during the Asian session. Okay, but if you see market breaking, then wait for some time, wait for 2 hours 3 hours 4 hours, and just observe the market and see whether the breakout is real or it's a false breakout. If it is a false breakout, then obviously you should not do anything, and if it is a real breakout, then wait for the market to retrace so that you can go for a buy at pullback. Okay, see, especially during the Monday, buying at pullback is the safest strategy if you spot any breakout. Okay, and obviously the ultimate resistance is around 1785 86 level. So right now market is not heading towards that level, so we don't need to worry. As of now, your eyes should be around 1763 67 level only. Secondly, if market comes down, okay, obviously the ultimate support is around 1725 level, but that level is too far away. Okay, so on Monday, if the volatility of the market remains slow, okay, in that case you can expect the market to bounce from 1743 level. You can expect the market to bounce from 1743 level, and in case it fails, okay, then you can expect the market to bounce from 1739 level. See, usually on Monday we do not see much volatility, especially during the first half. Okay, in that scenario, you can definitely expect the market to bounce. Once you see that market is trying to take support and bouncing, you can go for a buy position. See, these are minor supports in the market. You cannot expect a complete trend reversal, but at least you can expect to make 30 to 40 pips from here. Okay, so if market bounces for 1743 level, at least you can put a target around 1746 47 level, and you can earn some money. Same goes with 1739 also. If market comes to here this level and goes for a small bounce, you can expect to make somewhere around 30 to 40 pips. Okay, but yes, ultimate support is around 1725, and ultimate resistance for the week is around 1780 85 86 level, then 1775. But as of now, especially for Monday, we should keep our eyes on this level, how the market reacts, and these levels. Okay, Hopefully you understood. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and no trader is 100% accurate. My analysis can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. And my dear friends, only 5 days left for the Forex Hero Masterclass, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, जो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में मैं करवाता हूँ. So my dear friends, if you really are interested in taking up trading as a serious source of income, your serious profession, you can consider joining the workshop, because I share my secrets, my analysis, everything from the last 9 to 10 years, and especially my story. If you have time, then please go through my story. You will understand that nothing is impossible. So if you are really disheartened right now, okay, if you are really thinking then everything is finished, okay, you are in a very bad position, then please go through my story. It will give you some inspiration that yes, you can also achieve sky. Everything is mentioned on our website. It's a 3 days workshop. Hopefully you'll love it. Bye bye, take care.